Asko Dryer Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Asko dryer repair that consists of Asko dryer repair, Asko gas dryer repair, Asko electric dryer repair, Asko front load dryer repair, and Asko top load dryer repair, along with all other Asko dryer models. If you are having problems with your Asko dryer, such as the dryer won't start, you need an Asko dryer belt replacement, the dryer stops turning during the cycle, the dryer won't turn at all, the dryer takes too long, the dryer is too hot, the dryer won't stop, the dryer doesn't heat, the dryer trips the breaker, the dryer makes noise. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.